Okay, now time for question number 3. A map of size 5 centimeter by 50 centimeter represents an area of 6,250 square kilometers. Construct a vernier scale to measure kilometers, hectometers, and decameters long enough to measure centimeters. Indicate on it 5.33 kilometers and 59 decameters. Okay, before we even start, let me just say 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, and 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meters. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. Decameters. Is that true? Yeah. Yeah, that's true. And 1 meter is equals to 1 meter. Yeah, makes sense. Now, we'll move on to solving this question. Now, representative factor is, you know how to find it, right? Input the drawing area by the actual area. So the answer will be 1 by 50,000. And we've got to be able to measure 7 kilometers. So that is the maximum length. And the length of the scale is representative factor times maximum length, which is 14 centimeters. So you draw it. You draw 14 centimeters. And you've got to divide it into 7 equal parts. Now, you could do it like before using the line at an angle thing, or you could simply take a ruler and divide the 14 centimeters up at 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and on, because it's very simple. There's 0, then there is 2 centimeters, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and you've got 7 divisions. So it's very simple. Do it however you want. After that, do the markings. Leave 22 centimeters, then mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First of all, we're going to create the vernier scale. Now do the slanted angle method and draw 10 divisions. Okay, but for this particular one, use what should I say? Yeah, make this 2 centimeters, right? Divided at 2 millimeters each. But after that, draw an extra 2 millimeters, so make it 12. Okay, so it's going to be 2 centimeters for this, and this extra part is going to be 2 millimeters. So in total, it's going to be 2 centimeters plus 2 millimeters. Now at the 10th division, join it to this point at 0, and then after you've drawn all these divisions, lightly just draw another line parallel to these divisions, and the y is going to come next. Fine. Now make another perpendicular, 14 centimeter at 14 centimeter, and then make this box. Now what you want to do is just draw the line slightly more than the required length. Use a compass and take it over here, and then right over here in front of there's going to be this line as well, right? Use a compass and draw a marking over here. Then use whatever you want. You can use the slanted line and divide it into 10 equal parts. Okay, and it's gonna look something like this. Why we want to do this is because we're drawing the vernier scale. So let's do this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this is the vernier scale and this is the main scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we know that 10 vernier scale divisions is equal to 11 11 mean scale divisions. So one vernier scale division is going to give us 1.1 mean scale division. And what is 1.1 mean scale division equal to? One division in total gives us 1 kilometer. And one mean scale division gives us 1 hectometer. So 1 hectometer is what does that mean? It's times 100 meters. So it's going to be it's going to be 110 meters. Right? So what does that mean? It means it's going to be 0.11 kilometer. So at this point, it's going to be 1.1 kilometer. It's going to be 2.2 kilometers, 3.3 kilometers, 4.4 kilometers, 5.5 kilometers, 6.6 kilometers, 7.7, 8.8, 9.9, and 1.0. Yeah. Now how you're going to use it is, according to the question, we need to find 5.33 kilometers, right? So you're going to take 5 over here, do the marking, and then 3.3, 1.1, 2.2, 3.3. 5.33 kilometers. Now you also had to find 59 decameters. 59 decameters, right? Now what is this actually? This means 0.59 kilometers. Why? Because 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters. Right? So like if this point is in kilometer, then this is the kilometer part, this is the hectometer part, this is the decameter part. So 59 decameters means 0.59 kilometers. So it's going to be 50 hectometers and 9 decameters. Let me just check it quickly. 59 decameters is equals to 10 meters, right? So 590 meters divided by 1000 is going to give us number format, scientific 9. Holy shit, no. Fact, give me normal. Oh god. Alright, whatever. It's going to be 0.59 kilometers, right? So I was correct. Now how you do that is, we can only measure in terms of 9.9, 8.8, 7.7, 6.6, right? So what you want to do is, suppose if you'd been given 3.42, you'd minus 0.22, and you'd get 3.2 kilometers plus 0.22. Now 0.22 you can easily find it over here, right? And then you'd find 1, 2, 3, and then you'd draw a diagonal scale, blah 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 blah, and this is 0.2. Easy, you can do it that way. Now how you find 59 decameters is, first of all, find 9.9. 9.9 is going to be over here. This is going to be 9.9. Next, 9.9 minus 5 is going to give us minus, what's this going to be? What do you want to find? We want to find 4, right? You want to find 4.9, so it's going to find. So 9.9 minus 4.0 is going to give us 5.9. So what you want to do is, on the vernier scale, you want to do, you want to find 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a line over here, right? And draw 9.9, and the distance between this line and this line is going to give us 59 decameters. That's it for question number 3.